So this is the Pac-Man game we're working on. So we have the waypoints. Or well, so we have Pac-Man here. We have the so here's the map. So we have the map here. We have all the pack dots. I added big pack dots that you can eat to then kill the ghost. And so we have all of them here. These are all the pack dots. I have a lot of them, but that's just kind of what you got to do. I have the four ghosts here inside the starting box, and so I have the waypoints. Basically, that's what they go to. So, like if I go enter this one, you can see this is where they go to. Each one is different colored for each ghost, so they'll follow them. So if I run the game, and so we can see they move to them to different positions, and then if they touch you, then you die, you restart, and then if you win at the big pack dots though, if you and then you go and you have 10 seconds to do it. So if you did, then they go back in the box, and then they come out after a little bit. And so your goal is to collect everyone, which is like normal Pac-Man after. So you just have to go and hope they don't touch you. If so, you just restart. So here's the one of the move scripts. So basically, this is just what this does. This is checks if it's eaten or not, big dot. This one checks. This one disables everything, so the ghost can respawn, and then this one it just checks if Pac-Man can move or not. And this is what Pac-Man makes it like he's moving the animations where like he looks left and right like that. And so this one is just movement. Like this stuff is just movement really. And then this is the timer. So I haven't showed you that, but if I can, I'll I'll cheat a little bit here and disable the ghost so I can't die. And so I think I can actually just run the Pac-Man and then I can change my dot amount right here. So I'll change this to 345 because I need 356. Then if I unpause, if I collect one more, it says I win. My time was 7 seconds that I beat it. But basically, you just go around. And so then after that, I need to work on it where you just restart after. And then, but that's it really. So the once you play, then that's what you got here. So you have the restart button only enables when you die, and then as well your score updates depending on how many you've beaten. So you can just go around and collect them. I was working on switching scenes, but I decided not to. Where like the more if you collect all them, then it goes to one with less big dots, but that'd be more fun this way. So, and then here's this one. It's pretty simple. It just checks if it moves or if it touches Pac-Man, and if so, then it kills itself or like destroys itself. And then that's for the pack dots. And so this is the one that makes the ghost move. So basically, this just makes it move for the position, and then this is what makes the animation goes. And then it just checks if the big dot is equal to false, which if like you eat it, then what happened is the restart button will get enabled, and then the if and then if it gets collision with the maze, then it starts the thing respawn, the name respawn. If that happens, and then this restart button just restarts the scene. We use this library to restart the scene for scene management because that's what Unity uses. So and then we have the waypoints here. Like I have some of them for Blinky. Clyde has more than Blinky, and you can just see all the waypoints. And then if you wanted to, you could change them around so they move to different positions. And then here on Ala Ghost, I have it so you can set their spawning position if you wanted to change it around, and then the speed as well. So, and then we have Pac-Man over here that has this is the dot amount, the time, and then this is just different stuff so you can change the text. And so if I wanted to, I could since like I have what's it called? The script right here, I can change things in the inspector. So if I pause it, I can go here and I can turn that on. So no matter what, they always think that that I have that. Like that's better if I was testing something, or if I was just trying to test something out, then I could do that. And then like this is the data amount. So if I go here, let me turn off that. So if I go here, I can see that the time will go up depending on where it is. So like I'll move it up, and depending, you see the time goes up now, and so I die. So then the time will restart now. So if I go here, the time is now back, and then updates each time I do, and you can see in the inspector. And so the goal is you want to collect all the dots. There's 346. And so you just once you collect all them, then it should say your score and time. So like this is the case where I would turn it on in the inspector to make it so then I have where basically it always thinks that I have the big dot on, so I can go here and I'll turn it on. So no matter what, I always think that I have it on. So then you just go around, and then this is where you want to go in the inspector and do it, so you can just move around with it. And so, oh, well, there it's disabled. Because I have it, so when it's set to it, and I just didn't eat enough. So if I can go here, and if I can disable these ones as well. And so I can just say the Pac-Man that the score is big enough instead. So I just pick the score to 345, and if I just click one more, that's what I need to work on. Is it'll say your time was whatever that it stopped, and then it stops the timer, and then as well the game should stop. But I was working on that, so that's the Pac-Man game, and then I was gonna add this teleporters, but that's all I guess for this game for the script and stuff. So I guess yeah.